Good morning, children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths. Exercise number 4.1. Last class we have studied for fill-ups, add the following and subtraction. Today we will learn for multiplication, division and word problem. Roman letter 4. Multiply the following. First one 4 kg 300 grams multiply with 7 table. The next one multiply with 8 table. Multiply with 4 table, multiply with 5 table. So this is called for the multiplication of measurement. So measurement is given to you and find out for multiply the value. So multiply the following. Already you learn for multiplication tables. So that table only used here and multiply and find out the product. That product is measured to write for kilogram and grams. That is used here measurement multiplication. Okay children, you understand now? Shall I move in your book exercise? Be ready. First sum 4 kilogram 300 grams multiply with 7 table. 7 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. 7 threes are 21. So 1, 2 is carry over. Next 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So take it out and write the number 30 kilogram 100 grams. The next one some second sum 17 kilogram 750 gram multiply with 8 table. So 17 750 then multiply by 8 table. Normal multiplication 8 zeros are 0 8 fives are 40. So 0, 4 is carry over. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 0, 60. So write 0, 6 is carry over. Then next 7 8s are again 56. 56 plus 6, 62. So write that 2. 6 is carry over. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 142 kilogram. Grams measurement is 0. So you need to write 0 or otherwise no need this one. This is no need for this measurement for gram. Only you given that kilogram only you get it here. Grams is 0. So directly you write for 142 kilogram. 142 kilogram. This is the answer. The next one third sum. 25 kilogram 550 gram multiply with 4 table. So do now 4 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, so write 0, 2 is carry over. Again 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 2, 22, write down 2, write down 2, 2 is carry over. Again 5, 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 2 is carry over. Then 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 102 kilogram 200 gram. So first you take for 3 digit 1, 2, 3 digit for grams. Remaining digits is write for kilogram. So grams is carry over to move for the kilogram. No confusion, easy to understand. All the numbers you multiply and take it out for first 3 digit only gram. After the numbers is kilogram. Multiplication last sum 72 gram 350 milligram. So multiply with 5 table. So take it out and write now 72 350 multiply by 5 table. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. So write down 5. 2 is carry over. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2 17. So 7. 1 is carry over. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1. 1 is carry over. 7 fives are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. So 361 kilogram, 750 gram. The next one Roman letter, divide the following. Already you learned the tables, easy to do for division. Here same thing you write 990 grams. So first one kilogram, then next one is a gram. So gram and kilogram is give the difference. That's why give the space. Okay. Then take it out and write the numbers. Then divided for 3 table. So first number you take 9 is here. How many times is coming for 9? 3 table. So 3 table you say up to 9 reach. Stop that. So 3 3s are is 9. 3 3s are 9. So write the number 3 3s are. So write the number is here 3. Then write down 9. So 9 subtract 9. Division you do for subtraction. Multiplication you do for addition. So 9 minus 9 0. The next one. Next number take it out and write down 9. Next number is 9. So write down now. Then next you do for 9 is coming for again 3 table 3 times. So write the down 9. Subtraction and get for 0. Then next number is 9. Again 3 table. Write down 9. Then subtract 0. Same number 0. Then again take for 9. 3 3s are 9. So again write for 9. So 9 minus 9 0. Then last one is also 0. So here last number take it out and write the 0. That's why added for here quotient. So this is the 0. So you take the answer now. 33 is a kilogram. Then 330 is a gram. 330 is a gram. 33 is a kilogram. So you have the number for 99 kilogram, 990 grams. You divide and give it to for 3 members. That's why use here 3 tables. Here you give for multiplication for divided 5 people is here. Each people want to give 72 kilogram and 350. That is more than needed to here. So this is the number multiplication. 72 is a smaller, 361 is a bigger number. You get the multiplication, answer is bigger number. You do the division, take the number 99, but you get the answer number is 33 is a smaller. So that is a divide. Equal part to share. That one is here do for division. 147 grams. 630 milligrams divided for 7 part. So take the number 7. So 7 is due for only. 1 is not coming for 7 table. So take the 2 digit number. So 14. Either 7 table and up to 14 you reach for 2 times. 7 2s are 14. Write down here. Then do the subtraction. 14 minus 14 0. Then write down for 7. Next number. So 7 is how many times? 1 times. So 7. Then 7 minus 7 0. Then next number. Write down here 6. 6 is coming for 7 table. No, 6 is a smaller number. So here 6 is a smaller number. So join and take now 3. 63. So 63 is coming for 9 table. How many times? 9 times. 7 9s are 63. So write the 63. Then 0. Then again last 0 is added to quotient. So this is the answer 21. 21 is a gram. So 21 gram. 90 is a milligram. Then next one, third sum. 550 kilogram. 220 gram. So you take for, do now 11 table. So I write here number 550 kilogram and 220. So 11 table, use the 11 table. How many times? 5 times. 5 5s are 55. So 0, here 0. Then next, here 0. So write the 0 here again. Then next, write the number 22. How many times do for 22? 22 for only 2 times. 11 2s are 22. So 0. Then next one digit for 0. So you write now again quotient 0. So here you get for 2 0, you added for quotient 0. So write the answer 50 kilogram 20 gram. This is the answer. This is the division last sum. Look here clearly children. You know now. Take it out and write the number 484 and 384. So do for 4 table. So 4 table how many times 4? 1 time. 1 4s are 4. So write 0. Then next second number 8. How many times come for 4 table to 8? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. Then 0. Write down for the next number 4. So 4 is coming only one time. So 4. Then 0. Next number is 3. So 3 is a smaller number. So again next number you take it here. 8. So 38, and don't do for separately. That's why you join the number 8. So you write the number 0. Then you write for 4 9s are 36. Then remainder for 2. Then next number joined here 4. Then you do for 6 times 24. So 0. So this is the last sum. So write the answer. 121 gram 096 milligram. The next one word problem. What is the total weight of 7 kilogram and 500 gram of cashew nut and 3 kilogram and 350 gram of pista? So here given for the nuts measurement for cashew nuts. Weight of a cashew nut for 7 kilogram and 500 grams. Then next one weight of pista 3 kilogram and 350 grams. So easy to do for total weight. Normally you know addition. Directly do for 0 0 0. 0 plus 5 5. 5 plus 3 8. 7 plus 3 10. So write the answer. Total weight is 10 kilogram 850 gram. The next one. Vimal add a sack of cotton seed. Weight is 50 kilogram and 350 gram. He used 7 kilogram and 300 gram cotton seed to feed his cow. How much cotton seed will remaining after feeding his cow? So total cotton seed for the sack of cotton seed is 50 kilogram and 350 grams. He used to cow to feed. He used to cow to feed for 7 kilogram and 300 grams. So write down for 7 kilogram and 300 grams. So here asking for remaining after feeding the cow. That's why you do for subtraction. Do it now subtraction. So 0 subtract 0, 0. 5 subtract 0, 5. 3 subtract 3, 0. 5 subtract, 0 subtract 7 is possible? No. Then 4, here 10. So 10 subtract 7, 3, here 4. So how much remaining? Remaining after feeding cotton seed for 43 kilogram. Then 50 gram. A glass bottle can contain 25 gram 125 milligram of medicine. How much medicine can serve such a bottle? So a glass bottle of medicine. Glass bottle of medicine is 25 gram, 125 milligram. So here asking for such 7 bottles medicine in 7 such bottle. So you do for multiply by 7 table. Multiply by 7 table. So do now 25, 125 multiply by 7 table. 7 3s are 35, 3, 2 4s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 1, 1 7s are 7, 7 plus 1 8, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17. So answer for 175 gram 875 milligram. 7 such bottles having the measurement of the medicine 175 gram 875 milligram. This is the answer. 7 such bottles is having the medicines. Okay children, you understand the word problem? A glass bottle, only one bottle is having the medicine is 25 gram 125 milligrams. But here asking for 7 such bottles. So do for multiplication. So do for multiply and get the answer is 175 gram and 875 milligrams. You understand now? Thank you children.